Hey guys, welcome back. I was not planning to do this video because it is a surprise to me, but it's an unboxing. And you probably maybe already clicked on this because of the title, so you might know what it is. But I have a box that I'm very excited about. It's the SkilSaw 10 1/4 inch Sawsquatch. I can't. So my wife Megan surprised me with this evening. She came to the farm tonight and told me, "Well, I've got some stuff in the car for you that I need help with, right?" And one of them was under a blanket. She said, "Can you just get that blanket and the box underneath it?" And I did. Boom! Mind blown. I've been wanting this. And it was something that I've wanted to buy since Glenn and I took the timber frame class up north. And what I decided was that I did not need to go whole hog and buy the Sawsquatch, Super Sawsquatch 16 1/4 circular saw to do a full one pass clean cut of 6x timbers. But since everything in the frame that I'm about to build is 6x timbers, that I'd be able to make them in one pass, or trim them in one pass with this. 2 passes, sorry, 2 true passes. Because otherwise, if you use a regular size 7 and whatever's circular saw, you make, on 6x timber, you make 2 passes and still have to come in with a handsaw and cut it off in the middle. But this will just do it in 2 clean passes. So, without further ado, let's open this up. It's new. Did I mention this was a birthday present from my wife and her parents and my parents? So, Connie and Alan, Mom and Dad, Megan, thank you. Box is falling apart. The handle. Oh baby. Cool. Yes. I don't know that I've got enough room on the bench for you glorious thing. Some instructions, and there is a blade. Oh. A Diablo 10 1/4 inch 40 tooth general purpose blade. 10 1/4 circle saw worm drives specifically. And it's a thin kerf. So wow. That's freaking awesome. I don't think there's anything else in the box. Warning, read manual. This is dangerous. Oh, that's right. Aha! Oh, cool. Okay, now where is the arbor lock? Oh, this is the main. Safety rules for circle saws. Lock button. What is that? Just doesn't. Oh, there we go. Damn it. Oh, I'm turning it the wrong way to go off. That's why. An eighth of a turn. There you have it. SkilSaw, like, that is the most satisfying. Every other brand ought to take a little bit of a lesson. Even if they're not copying the way that these saws are made, like that switch sound, that is satisfying. Really, really satisfying. Anyone else want to plug it in and see what happens? Like, part of me just wants to cut the workbench in half. Just. That's amazing. And it's got a belt hook. You could carry this around on your tool belt. But I'll have to make a little stand for that so you can set it in. And I'll have to make a cleat for it. Or maybe the cleat will be the stand and whatever. Anyways, that's awesome. Thank you again, Connie, Ellen, Mom, Dad, Megan. You all are awesome. And I can't wait to build all kinds of cool stuff with this. So until next time.